All aboard the choo-choo train.
Chugga, 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 choo-choo.
Are you driving the train?
We need a wheel. Go get us a wheel so we can drive.
You need some wheels to drive?
No, we need a white wheel. So it's not a wheel. We need it to drive. White wheel.
Lincoln, are you unhappy that you're on the caboose? I know we don't have any more chairs, so you get the special one. It's called the caboose.
No.
Can you guys say caboose?
No.
Caboose. Okay, maybe we can figure something out. Hold that thought for a second.
No. Wow, 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 gently down the street, and we slip around the tide. Let's forget that sweet.
It's a boat now. It's a boat train. Should we keep playing this? This is pretty fun. It is raining. This is what we're doing on our rain day, huh? All right, pirates beware. We're about to go down on the boat on the big hill. Can I get an arr? Okay, here we go. You're going down the hill. Hey, is it too scary? Okay, you can get off the pirate boat.
The boat wants to be nice.
Yeah, sometimes the boat ones be nice.
A boat that you can say down the street. If you see a crocodile, don't you in the sea.
Good job, Daisy. That's good singing. Knuckles. So the plan was to go to a park today, and we even told the Quints we were going to go yesterday. We didn't check the weather forecast. It doesn't rain a lot here, but it has been pouring, I guess, all night, and it's been pouring all morning. So I didn't even know they knew that song. They must have learned that from Mina Mina. Can you guys sing Rain, Rain? I think that's okay. Please come back another day. That's all I know. It is raining crazy, huh, guys? Maybe we should get swimsuits on and splash a little later when it warms up. What do you think? Yeah, holy cow. Raining, raining. So yeah, we're having a rain day today. It's kind of funny because they just keep getting back on these chairs. When I came in, it was actually Logan, Daisy, and Violet had lined up 3 of them and made a train. So we just made a bigger train. These kids are creative. So we'll just kind of figure out what to do on a rain day. But I actually had kind of a fun idea. Good morning, good morning. It's fun to stay up late. Good morning to you. Welcome to Lincoln's Banjo Party. Boodling, bom, bing, 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 bing. Let's play the tuba. Boom, 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 boom. What else could we play? Let's keep making sweet music together. Let's do guitar. Da-da-da, da-da-da, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Is this what you learned at ballet?
Yeah.
Show me some more ballet.
That was the boys' turn.
The boys' turn? Maybe they can show us what they learned at tumbling.
That was the boys' turn.
Okay. Wait, Violet wants to do a solo real quick. You're beautiful, Violet Rose. This one's not making any sense.
I don't like this.
And who turned my lights off? Was it you? I'm gonna tickle your pits. Here comes the pit tickle. Okay, well they wanted to perform something for you. It's a variety act. Little pig, let me in. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
Made it like this. Do it again. It's my turn to be.
I can't do it. You guys built a good house. Do you want to be the wolf?
I'll be the wolf.
Okay, come on, Lincoln, let's go hide. I'm a little pig. Gotta let me in here.
That's a hide. Little pig, let me in. Not by the hair on the chin. Again.
Ah, here comes the wolf. It's scary.
Can you read the story?
Yeah, I can read a story. Let's do some stories. That's a good idea.
Bringing home a turtle. His name is Tim. I put him in the water. Bathtub, see him in the swim. He can't swim. I drink up all the water. I drink up. Stop! Don't drink in the water.
That's how it goes. He ate up all the soap, and now he's home.
Sick in bed. It's bubbles in the shrimp. Hiccup.
Good job, girls. Is it letting up a little bit?
Yeah, it's a big muddy puddle, but that's a big muddy puddle.
There are lots of big muddy puddles.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's just sprinkles out here. Should we show them the big puddle?
Yeah.
It looks like one of your bikes. That's your bike, the blue one, is swimming in the blue puddle.
What?
What?
It can't swim in now.
Yeah, that bike's swimming. That's kind of funny.
Yeah, it's a big bike over there.
There's a big bike over there.
Oh.
So it looks like it's almost stopped raining. So maybe when it warms up, we can come out again and do some splashing or something like that.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining us. Hopefully you enjoyed our Reined In musical variety show vlog. We had a lot of fun creating it, didn't we? Logan here is one of the executive producers.
Yeah.
And a lot of the concepts were his idea. What made you think about putting on a variety show? The people are waiting. What made you wanted to do that?
Grandma's house.
It was Grandma's house. And Grandma's house truly is the inspiration for all things good around here lately. So we love you guys, and we will see you soon. And look, we got a whole vlog done when Mommy was in the shower. Can I get a woot woot?
When I was in the shower next time.
Yeah, when you were in the shower next time, give them the woot woot.
Whoa, whoa.
Woot woot!